Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2018 Toyota CHR XLE. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2-liter engine and has front-wheel drive capabilities. Taking a look at the back here, we do get the backup camera. You get a little hood spoiler as well as a spoiler up here. Nice sleek body style. And mud flaps on the rear, and to get to the back, your door handles are just conveniently right there. You have turn light indicator mirrors and spotlight blind spot detection with mud flaps on the front. We got these nice looking LED lights, block heater, license plate bracket, and that nice Toyota grille. Taking a look in the back here, we do get plenty of storage space. You even got cargo protectors here that are velcroed, as well as a nice cargo protector here with the CHR logo. You have LED lights, as well as little hooks and doodads to hold your gears down. And plus you do get more storage with your spare tire and cloth floor mats. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, cup holders, and a little bit of storage in the back with some nice diamond inlets. You got a cloth interior and some floor mats. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we do have mostly manual seats, but this is the only powered part, and it does work with your lumbar, which is pretty nice. Plenty more door space up front with the same texture that we saw in the back there. You have your lights, gas cap, and all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 92,935 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-up steering wheel. You have your trip, toggle for your screen, collision, all that jazz, cruise control, phone, voice, volume, mode, all that jazz. And looking at our screen here, we do have our drive modes, which do include sport, normal, and eco. We're just going to go back real quick. We have our blind spot monitoring, collision, lane keep, vehicle settings, drive, and all that fun stuff. Here we do have our parking brake, auto hold, traction, some deep cup holders, as well as another cup holder right here with more storage, and USB and an aux, and you do get your storage under here as well with another 12-volt. Got climate controls up here as well, heated front seats, eco, sync, all that jazz. You can fiddle with it up here as well, little levers. You can turn it off, hazards, your infotainment system just right there, storage below, and it is touchscreen, so you have HD radio, FM, all that jazz. I'm gonna go home, there's your settings, general, voice, display, Bluetooth, vehicle settings, such as all this, so vehicle setup, general, and you can turn your screen off from here as well and just turn it back on from here. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B7868, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.